Hey Patrick, this is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. You had spoken with my partner Jeremy at the Indie Chamber event and let him know that we could send you this video. I'm just making this quick video to show you how to use Google's language on your website to start bringing in more customers for free. Now we're doing this because Jeremy himself, he has a lot of business experience, and I used to own my own roofing company here in Alaska. So we understand business owners, when they're focused on that business every day, they're short for time to sit in front of the computer and try and learn how to make the internet work for them to bring customers to them. And what we found is the biggest thing that holds owners back from hiring a marketing agency is it's obvious. You don't know who to trust, who's going to be an expert or a waste of time and money. So we believe in giving value up front, and we've been making these custom plans of attack and giving them away for free. And there's still been a lot of owners who reach back out to us and ask for our help to get this stuff done. So if you want to, you can always give us a call back and we can chat. Or if you want to take the information and just make changes to the site yourself, please do. This is free education. So I'm here to talk about 3 quick points today. That's content, citations, and backlinks. I'm on your homepage here. You actually have a great site. It's easy to read and it transfers nicely as you're scrolling. You've got the form to fill out, making sure that it's a real person. It's a good looking site. Now, appearance is for customers. Google is not ranking your site based on the looks. Google is using bots called crawlers that are scanning all of the content within your site to try and find keywords to rank you for in the customer search results. So for Google, content is king. Now, it's recommended you have at least 1,500 words on the homepage and then at least 500 words on each back service page. You also want to use a rule of thumb. For every keyword, you want at least 100 words of content to support it. Now, when you have your site built this way, that's going to do 2 things. It's going to show Google that you're an expert in the industry, and it's going to have Google putting your website at the top of more customer search results, which means more customers. Now, an example of a keyword here is cleaning services Bloomington, Indiana. You can see there's 260 searches a month for this one keyword. Now, when customers do any type of a search, they're going to see a map pack or Google My Business. I like to call it GMB. Now, when customers see this, to get this optimized so you pop up here, you're going to want to get your company contact information and photos and website. Then you want to get that company contact information into as many citations or online directories as you can. You're already popping up now. You just need to get ahead of these 2. So the way to get there is you want at least 100 more online directories than your competitors. So that's like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, BBB, thousands out there. You want to get at least 100 to 150 more online directories with your contact information than your competitors have to move up. Now, continuing down, you're going to see the organic search results. Now, your top competitor on the map pack is also ranking right here. So that's going to be Zen Cleaning Services. So taking a look at their site, we're going to see that they've got a good amount of content, not a lot, so that 1,500, 500 rule of thumb is going to help you beat them. And for the other side of things, we use a paid tool called Ahrefs. Now, this is showing what's happening on the back end of your website. You're missing a meta tag description for starters, but I can see your homepage ranking as a 17. Your domain page, or the entire website as a whole, is ranking at a 2.7. Now, these rankings are on a scale from 0 to 100, comparing your website to every other website on the internet. And the rankings made by the backlinks. So a backlink is just when another site online links to your site and pushes traffic to you. So you want to make very careful that the backlinks you're getting are high quality, because Google uses these to be competitive. So before you link to a site, make sure that it's relevant to the cleaning industry and it's high ranking. Right now, you've got 215 links coming from 28 sites. You have 37 keywords, and all of this is giving you about 29 traffic a month. If we take a look at Zen Cleaning Services, we see they don't have a very strong site, but it is higher than yours. So what we're going to do is we're going to look through their backlinks, see if they have any really good ones that we can borrow. It's just the domain ranking that they're listed for, but one of these backlinks is giving them more authority than you. We're going to be able to go through the site and see how your content's actually reading. But we can see they've got the 10 links coming from 7 sites. They've got 83 keywords where you're sitting at the 37. and they're getting in 82 traffic on average each month. So you can see there's a lot of opportunity there, especially to beat these guys. It's going to be really, really easy. They are low competition. So it won't take much to get you ranking here. You just need those 3 steps to speak Google's language. So you want to make sure that you have at least 100 words of content for every keyword and get at least 1,500 words on the home page and at least 500 words on each back service page. Then you want to go and get your company contact information into as many online directories as you can. You need at least 100 to 150 more than Zen. And you want to go get high quality backlinks that are high ranking and relevant to your industry. You're going to get that meta tag fixed as well. That's going to help you. So with these steps, you're going to be ranking #1 across Google. I know it was a lot of information, but you can take it, apply it yourself, totally okay. All that we're really looking for is the feedback. We want to know if we're delivering good value in these videos. But if you did want any help on this stuff because you see the value in it, but you're short for time, go ahead and give us a call. We'll have a chat and we'll see if we're going to be a good fit. We can get your phone ringing off the hook with customers. Thank you so much for letting us send you this video and taking the time to watch it. My partner will follow up in the next few days to get your feedback. Take care.